Next up, we have Aaron Camarada, who's going to be speaking about Meteor Gaming with Unity.
Hey, thank you. Cool. All right. Hi, gang. Test, test. All right. I don't know if 5 minutes is going to get this done, but whatever. We'll give it a shot. Oh, good. I updated to Yosemite, and it's going to barf on me. Okay. So we think Meteor is really cool for gaming, and we wanted to show you a couple of things that we built recently. I'm going to go through this quickly, so if you have any questions, please drop me a line. I'm the Chief Creative Officer at Void Alpha, and we wrote our first lines of Meteor in 0.5 in like 2012, so we're really glad to see it come to full fruition. We also think that Meteor is combined well with some other technologies like Unity and Famous, but definitely Meteor is the core of what we're interested in. So the first thing I want to show off is Unity Meteor Pong, and you can go there now, Unmet Pong or ump.voidalpha.com if you're not into the whole brevity thing. And basically what it is Pong and the leaderboard example, just to show the way that you could get those two to talk to each other, those two being a Unity web player and a Meteor client page, because we think that the real-time gaming of Unity plus the near real-timeness of Meteor and the multiplayer sort of client-serverness of Meteor is really a great combination. So I also added a little extra wiki bio info, and there were no women in the leaderboard example, so I added some more people. So let's see if I can take a look at that. Resize. It's on apparently 320 by 240. So, okay, well this is supposed to fit, and it fits on a laptop. So we've unlocked a tournament edition today, and basically what happens is you get your player. Wow, I don't know what this is going to do, but I'll try and shrink it down. You get a character and a short bio, and of course that's all in a Meteor collection. You can choose a different person, and when I go online, I get this is going to totally not fit, but we're going to do it anyway. So here's the Pong part, and then over on the right we have the leaderboard, which of course is using, oh, excellent, there's 13 people playing, you guys rock. Wow, that's great. So of course that's all Meteor real-time goodness. There's a collection behind that, as well as the leaderboard. So I'm going to try and play and have both a little bit of the leaderboard and a little bit of the game on screen here. We'll see how well I do. So here comes the Meteor. Cha-cha-cha. And look, it's got glowing, and it's cool. Yay, new high score. Whoa, and I lost. Oh, but I did get a new high score for Carl Friedrich Gauss. Yay. And if any of you have ever degaussed your screen, say thank you to Carl Friedrich. But you'll notice that this has now moved me up in place in the leaderboard reactively as, somebody else is playing as Carl Friedrich Gauss, it looks like, and doing far, far better than I am. So anyway, this is just something I built in the last week because we think Unity and Meteor go well together. And if you scroll down on these pages, you'll see there's a sort of embedded blog post. We want all of you doing this, or any of you who are interested in gaming. There's a sort of how do you do it, including sample code, what you have to put in the Meteor page, and what you have to put into your Unity scene to get them to talk to each other. And if there are any questions or anything like that, you can go to the bottom and there's a discuss thing. So really quickly, there's that. Let's see. So actually, there was a question on Meteor Talk today. I think DC asked it. How is this communicating? It's going through the Meteor client, but that's sort of where we are today. Where we would like to go is to build a Unity DDP plugin so that your native Unity app, whether it's on PC or PlayStation 4 or Xbox, whatever, can talk to your back end, which can be Meteor. And we're hoping to get that out. But there's more than just DDP. You have to handle the database side of things. So we want to make a full one-stop shop sort of solution. So that's Unity Meteor Pong. The other thing that we're showing off is Fakeout at frenzy.com, fakeout.frenzy.com. It's a game about lying to your friends. And AJ, are you good to go? So I'm going to ask my assistant AJ to play along. Hopefully this will fit better on screen since it's supposed to be a Meteor or a mobile game. So I'll start a game. So if you can join Cloud of Candy. He's got my phone. Good. So Fubar is in. Now, I think I'm going to have a very hard time tricking him. So the way it works is I have a statement that I can turn from true to false by modifying it slightly. And it says, Ford was in talks to purchase Ferrari, but Enzo Ferrari backed out of the deal shortly before it was finalized. And by clicking on different pieces, I can change something about the fact to make it slightly more deceptive. And depending on what I know about what AJ knows, I might change it from Ford to Dodge, and then Ferrari to Amedeo Felisa. So I've picked a statement that I'm going to read. Now, do you think that I told the truth or did I lie?
Definitely true.
Oh, right on. Ooh, I faked him out. So we go to the scoreboard, and it shows me that indeed I faked him out and so on. And so that's just a quick demonstration of the mechanic. So this is Meteor plus Famous. Wow, 5 minutes is really short. So this is Meteor and Famous. What's cool about it is there's no install, so you can go check it out now, right? It's extremely frictionless to go play. And so to me, that's part of the Meteor story. We can wrap it in PhoneGap and so on, but we think that there's actually room for both, that customer acquisition can be done this way, and then if they think that it was fun, they can go ahead and install the PhoneGap wrapped native thing and get a better experience. It's also free. I had to put it in quotes because these days free doesn't mean free, but I mean really free. You can't actually spend any money on it. And we do hope that a native app comes soon. Thank you, Sashko. That's it. Thanks.